Thank you for your interest in Trupath Credit. Here are the answers to a few frequently asked questions and what you can expect from our services. Question: how is Trupath Credit so effective yet so much less expensive than other credit repair agencies? Answer: because your referring realtor or loan officer is willing to cover the cost of your credit repair, you can participate in our 6-month program without having to pay monthly fees. That's right, no monthly fees. Once you qualify and purchase a home with the real estate professional that referred you, they take care of the remaining $600 cost on your behalf. Next question: how long will it take to repair my credit? Answer: every credit report is different, so it's impossible to say before we analyze your credit report. The important thing to keep in mind is that Trupath doesn't get paid until you qualify and purchase a home, which means we only get paid when we perform. Your preferred realtor or loan officer sent you to us because they know our process is speedy, our pricing is fair, and our results speak for themselves. We're looking forward to chatting with you.